G'day guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm here with my mate Roscoe. We're going to take on Mother Cummings Peak today. The sign says 4 hours, but we're going to aim for about 3. And yeah, we've got here nice and early, a little bit overcast, but I hope it'll start to clear once we get up to the peak. Alright, we'll show you the sights.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long. One touch and we're igniting, setting fire to it all. You know these flames ain't going out. This building is wrong.
Okay, 5 minutes in now, a steep climb. So 20 minutes in, starting to get views already, so that's good. So yeah, tracking well.
That we can stop it now, 'cause baby our love is gonna burn down. You know these days ain't going out. This building is crumbling to the ground. Don't think I wanna stop it now. Baby our love is gonna burn it down.
So about an hour in, we've gone through the saddle, and now we're going to come up through the rear up to Cummings Peak. So it looks like we're going the wrong way, but actually it turns off and turns towards back up to the peak. So hopefully another 20-30 minutes and we'll be there. Got an ironstone mountain behind us, which love to take on soon enough. Not today. Bit of rock scree. Cummings Head up there. Meander Falls will be back there, and you got Ironstone Mountain with a bit of a cloud coming in. Hopefully she clears when we get to the top.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't.
Okay, so I reached the peak of Mother Cummings Peak. No view, there's clouds set in. We're gonna hang around for a little bit, hopefully it passes. And then we can get some views, but yeah, at the moment you can't really see much. Yeah, so what was the time on that, Roscoe? We started 8:40, so what's the time?
Hour and 40 minutes.
So about an hour and 40 we reached the peak. So yeah, good walk, but yeah, a bit unlucky with the views and the clouds setting in. And we're currently at 1,194 meters altitude. So yeah, this is it, but not much to see. Hopefully it clears up and we'll get some views. Yeah. Look at that. Starting to clear up now. You got Mount Roland up there. Yeah, you got the Dairy Plains in front of us. Western Creek. Bit of a steep drop down there. Nice. So a little bit of a view. Okay, from the rear of Mother Cummings Peak, got Mother Cummings Head. Got Projection Bluff at the back there, the Great Western Tiers. Yeah, so starting to get some views now, but a bit of mist. Okay guys, after hanging around for about 15 minutes, the clouds parted and the sun came out, and now we've got some awesome 360 views. Yeah, It's been good, guys. Definitely recommend checking this one out. Allow yourself hour and a half, hour 40 to the top, and probably about the same back, if not a bit less, because you always go a little bit faster down a mountain, apparently. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next exercise video.